국제화 방안에 대해서 정동원 변호사님께서 발표를 해주시겠습니다. 앞으로 나와주시죠.
제가 오늘 발표할 주제는 해상풍력안전단지 개발 국제화 방안입니다. 쉽게 말씀드리면 바다에 구역을 지정을 해서 예정구역을 지정을 해서 어디에 해상풍력 발전기를 설치하고 또 해상풍력 개발권을 설정 허가받아서 발전 사업을 영위하면서 사용료를 납부하고 또는 수렴하는 과정이 있습니다. 발표로 들어가겠습니다. 발표 순서는 먼저 입법 추진 개혁에 대해서 설명드리겠고, 그 다음에 해상표는 거기에서 사업자들이 들어와서 해상풍력 개발권을 허가받아서 발전 사업을 영위하면서 사용료를 납부하고 또 양도할 수 있는 그런 절차, 그런 기간에 대해서 설명드리겠습니다.
This partnership approach and thinking about 4 gigawatts in the supply chain in the coming years, use one-stop shopping, I guess. In the U.S., there's a number of developers involved, so it's a similar scale over a similar time frame, but there's several of us that will have to be for the market to join offshore in DC, because it's your one entry point to get to know all the players of note in the market, and you'll be up to date on what's happening with the different projects and what the situation is in the U.S., Rhode Island, and Massachusetts. There's others, but that's where most of the action is in the first few years. Here's a list of the offshore wind developers that created offshore. There are European companies joining, and we're really trying to bring everybody in. So this is some contact information for offshore wind DC. It's headed up by. Thank you very much. And,
okay, thank you very much for your presentation. Is there any questions or recommendations? Can I have a question?
yes.
Very simple question. Does your company, is your company private or public?
Our company is privately held.
Actually, your company having continuous contract to find suppliers and also the capitals. Is that right? So I think your company is seeking, your partners, right? For this project.
Yeah. So we have the turbines selected. What we need to do now is select contractors to supply the steel for the foundations, a company to make the foundations, a company to supply the cables, which may or may not be the same company that lays the cables, the balance of plant, general contractor to basically do everything Siemens isn't doing in the construction of the project. These are the remaining contracted pieces. And then on the other side of the equation, financing partners. So yeah.
조지 스미스만 이 발표해드리겠습니다.
안녕하세요.
All right, I'm going to work there. Hi, I'm George Smitherman. I'm pleased to be here to talk about Ontario, the province of Ontario, Canada's experience with the implementation of the feed-in tariff. There we go. First, I just want to give you a brief geography lesson. In Canada, energy policy related to electricity is done on a province by province by province basis. very localized. Ontario is a very big place, but not a very big population. If you look at where Toronto is, just below there you have Niagara Falls, and there we make wine. But if you look at the northern part of Ontario, it is Hudson Bay, where we 1.3 million people, around the same as Yonggi-do. And you can see there the gross domestic product and the per capita income, fairly good.